Welcome back. NIO scientists have inspected the hillside in Kuske and Paingin that caused major flood across Kankon. NIO team visited the site on Tuesday and has collected soil samples from the hill region. Team will submit its report to state government before the end of November on exact cause of floods.
Six-member NIO team led by Dr. S.R. Shetye studied two spots in Kankon. The first spot was the hillside in Kuske in Kotigao and the second was downstream region in Paigin. Villagers showed these team members various locations which were emitting large quantity of water on the 2nd of October. Team members have recorded GPS locations and air pressure of this region. Kuske Hill is located at a height of over 400 meters above sea level. Prudent Media had exclusive visit to these spots along with NIO scientists. On the 4th of October, state government had constituted a high-power committee under NIO Director Dr. S.R. Shetye to study the cause of floods. Scientists specializing in geology, physical ocean science, river systems are part of this committee. Soil samples from the hillside were collected by scientists. Now they will study the satellite and other data to know the cause of floods. Scientists are also studying the topography of the region. NIO Director Dr. S.R. Shetye did not give details of their preliminary studies as they are still verifying various possible causes of this flood. The committee will submit its final report before the end of November. Our senior reporter from Kankon, Rakesh Kandolkar for Prudent Media.
After several unsuccessful attempts, the 52 teachers who had cleared the GPSC examination have now decided to take the last resort. They have now decided to go on an indefinite hunger strike after 8 days. These teachers have been stating that the government has been unfair to them in denying their appointment letters. With no hopes of getting their appointment letters, the 52 teachers have now decided to go on an indefinite hunger strike from next Thursday. According to Leena Kalangudkar, despite being given recommendation letters, the government has not given them appointment letters.
गेली 4 महिने जाले आमचे GPSCन आमचे इंटरव्यूज घेतले आमकां सिलेक्ट केले आमकां रेकमेंडेशन्स लेटर आमच्या घरा मेरेन पावली आमकां सिलेक्ट केला म्हणून म्हटल्यार अजून पर्यंत आमचे अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर्स आमकां हातान मेळुना.
She also added that the issue of denying the appointment letters due to no experience does not arise.
आणि जेन्ना आमी वेरियस थ्रू प्रिंट मिडिया किंवा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडिया जेन्ना आमी GPSCच्या बद्दल गजाली आयकता आमच्या 52 टिचरां बद्दल तेन्ना कळटा की थोडे मुद्दे सरकारान उखल्ल्यात ते म्हणजे आमच्या भितरले खुबशे शिक्षक एक्सपिरियन्स ना. हो एक्चुअली सामको रॉंग मुद्दो आसा. आमच्या भितर सुद्दां 12 वर्सां 10 वर्सां 8 वर्सां काम केल्ले शिक्षक आसात. आणि जर फ्रेशर्स म्हटले जाल्यार जायरातीन खंयच हें नमूद केल्लें ना की फ्रेशर भुरग्यांनी अप्लाय करचें न्हय. आमी ह्या सरकाराक 8 दिसाची मुदत दिता आनी 8 दिसां उपरांत हे जे 52 शिक्षक आसात जेंची वेंचणूक गोंय लोकसेवा आयोगान केल्या हे 52 शिक्षक आमरण संपार वयतले उपोशणार वयतले आनी तेज्या उपरांत जर आमचें कितेंय जालें जाल्यार हेका मात सरकार जबाबदार आसतलो.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Yashwant Parab for Prudent Media. In our special segment of Panchayat today, we have Chiklona Panchayat. Residents are demanding toilets, parking space and Bogmolo beach and road widening in their constituency. Sarpanch has also shown commitment to fulfill all the demands. Our special report on Panchayats, our Panchayats.
Residents of Chikolna want toilets and parking space at Bogmalo beach. They also want a playground for their children in Chikolna.
म्हाका दिसता अशें कितें आमची एक बोगमालो एक व्हडली बीच आसा आनी पार्किंग एरिया आसतना पूण कांय पार्किंगाक आमचे मातशें प्रॉब्लम जाता खरें पूण हांगा एक बरें पार्किंग करचें आनी एक आमच्या ट्युरिस्टाक एक आमचे टॉयलेट बांदून बरे भाशेन हें करचें आनी अशें कितें आमच्या गांवचे रस्ते पळय आहाय जे पळय इंटरनल रोड वयता ते मातशे ब्रॉड करचे.
One of the needs is parking space and proper access to the beach, which is held by some private people, and for some time there should have been acquisition, which is they're trying their level best. I know that the Sarpanch and the Panch and they're trying their level best.
Sarpanch Lakshman Kavlekar has said that is striving hard and will leave no stone unturned for the welfare of Chikolna residents.
फुटबॉल ग्राउंडा लागून आमची प्रोसेस चालू आसा आनीच एक 15-20 दीस आदी आमी तेजी लँड एक्विजिशनाची जे पयशे डिपॉझीट करपाचे ते डिपॉझीट केल्या 4,50,000 50% आनी तेजे प्रोसेस चालू आसा. तशेंच बीच एरिया आमी टुरिजमा कडेन फायल लँड एक्विजिशनाक साठी गेल्ले आसा आनी ते कन्सर्न अथॉरिटी इंजिनियर येवन सगळें इन्स्पेक्शन करून तेजे प्रोसेस चालू आहा. तशेंच बीच आमकां टॉयलेटा लागून तेजे प्रोसेस चालू आहा. आमकां NOC मेळना ताका लागून पेंडींग आसा. 100% जातली. 80% 80-90% सद्या लोकांची कामां केल्ली आसा. आय स्टार्ट माय वर्क मॉर्निंग 7 o'clock and finish 11:30. आतां तुका दिसलो आसतलो हांव ते काळे वखले कित्याक घातल्या हें तूं म्हाका विचारूंक शकता. आयज ऑपरेशन करून म्हाका 2 दीस जाला आनी लोकांची सेवा करपाक आयज हांव म्हाजे टाके मारलेले आसा तुज्या फुड्यांत उबो आसा.
A reporter from Bogmalo, Surendra Madkaikar.
It's time for yet another short break. We'll be right back.